Anong province mo?
Meral ko, ano?
Reminder to everyone, please take good care of your personal belongings at all times. Weddings at the Elder Registry Hall will not be held responsible for any loss. Meanwhile, we have prepared some fun activities with lots of prizes for you to enjoy. Take a chance to
enjoy na lang natin.
Thank you, sir. Sige, palagay na lang. Photo man. Pwede ko po kayo picture para meron po kayo souvenir. Personalized po.
Di ba pwedeng kasama yun? Tapos kami nabibili ng bibili.
Ayun ba yung
Good day, everyone. Dear Weddings and Beyond would like to welcome you all as a grand 20-year wedding and 8-year expo here at the Mega Street Mall of Wrestling. We hope that you're having the most special time meeting, planning, and meeting your weddings luxury. So we'd like to remind everyone to please take good care of your personal belongings at all times. Weddings and Beyond at the Mega Street Mall will not be held responsible for any loss. Meanwhile, we have prepared some fun activities and lots of cool prizes for you to enjoy. Get a chance to win spectacular big prizes by participating in our big prize Sherman promo and raffle promo. Every single booking you make with our partner suppliers from today until tomorrow entitles you to pick a prize from our freebie box and get the chance to win the following. Our major prizes are a free trip to Boracay for 2 from Purple Diaries Travel and Tours, staycation at Casilla Hills Nature Resort, honeymoon at Rancho Bernardo Luxury Resort, weekend getaway at the Oriental Hotel and Resort, overnight stay at VS Hotel Manila, staycation at Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar, Bataan, and a wedding cake from Vienna Cakes. Other prizes include weekend getaways, hotel room certificates, and lots of consolation prizes. After our raffle promo, one raffle stop will be given for every 1,000 peso amount in the official receipt for on-site bookings. Major prizes to be given away are 100,000 pesos cash for our first prize winner and a pair of stunning wedding rings from Golden Hills Jewelry for our second prize winner. Other terms and conditions apply. See posters for complete details for DTI Fair Trade Permit number FTEB 194761 series of 2024. Avail of big discounts and freebies from our awesome suppliers and Secretariat booths. Once again, we'd like to remind everyone to please take good care of your personal belongings. Post-Jam, your Shirley Crystal Grace for Parliament personal event planning coordination and butterfly. River 8, the official voice of Praise and Beyond. Special thanks also to Once again, please take good care of your personal belongings at all times. Weddings and Beyond at the Registry Hall will not be held responsible for any loss. And I will get back to you for more information and announcements in a very short while. Once again, this is Crystal Grace, your MC.
Ang cute ah. Bagay sa'yo, miss. How much is this?
Alin po?
Yung suot niya?
Ito po, ma'am, is 95.
95K.
Pero today, ma'am, is may promo tayo. Ito, ma'am, is kaya sa 65.
So from 95, 65K na lang. Ganda oh.
10,000 reservation, ma'am.
So from 95, 65 na lang. Cute. Backless?
Hindi po. Depende po kung ano yung
Okay. Ganda. So this dress is regular price 95,000, but now it is only 65K. Okay? 65,000 pesos. Cute. I like this one. Simple lang. Ah, may kasama pa siyang ganon?
yes, ma'am.
Kasama na yan.
Detachable.
Ah, detachable. I see.
Limited na siya, ma'am. Long trail.
Long trail lang.
Yes po. Bigyan kita, ma'am, calling card.
I-promote mo. YouTube kita. Okay lang.
Hi! Hello everyone! If ever po na gusto nyo magpa-customize na gown or suit, Riyadh Couture po.
Riyadh.
Riyadh Couture.
Saan kayo located?
Recto po, Dragon
Recto.
Gate, 2nd floor.
Okay. So, gaano katagal ang
If ever, ma'am,
paggawa?
depende po, ma'am, sa kasal. 1 month before wedding, ma'am, kailangan na sa kanya na po yung kanyang gown and sa group. And then, depende po sa details kung ano po yung gusto niyang details.
So, normally, pag nagpatahe, mga 1 month before the
Kami
wedding
kasi,
date.
yes po. Kasi kami, ma'am, is nasa 8 to 6 months po yung aming preparation ng aming gown.
Ah, okay. Tagal
Kasi
pala,
ma'am,
no?
sa amin po is mga Riyadh, yung Dubai
Mga beads.
materials po. Dubai materials po
Lahat?
lahat kami.
Galing Dubai, yung
Yes,
fabric.
every 6 months po na uli yung aming sa Dubai para uli yung mga materials. And then, ma'am,
So this promo is open to all exhibitors from
punta ng aming boutique, punta lang po kayo ng 2nd floor, Dragon Gate Mall. Hanapin niyo po
Dragon Gate Mall in Recto. Dragon Gate Mall. Okay.
Hanapin niyo lang po
Riyadh.
ang Riyadh Gowns
Okay.
It may be your company
Thank you, ma'am.
or employee.
Ayan po yung aming signer, si Sir Rian.
Sa recto, second floor ng Dragon Gate.
Yes, ma'am, Rian
So
Girls.
broadcast spread around
Thank you, miss.
Thank you, ma'am.
The program is open to all meetings and beyond exhibitors from today until tomorrow. For everyone on the spot bookings named by an exhibitor entitled him or her to join the promo. So once again, only new bookings will be accepted and bookings not made during the June 2024 Expo will not be honored. One raffle stop will be given to the exhibitor for everyone on the spot bookings. The exhibitor must send the proof of bookings or official receipt of the registry on Sacred Marriott located near the entrance. Bookings or official receipts will be stored upon release of the raffle stop.
Okay lang, you want to promote? Hindi, you can promote your items or your... Anong pinapromote nyo? Catering?
Services po.
Catering services. Okay.
Thank you po.
At our draw time session.
Hi, ma'am. Check the site, ma'am.
18K casual diamond.
Yes, ma'am.
Galing saan?
Sa Africa po yung stone, ma'am. Yung diamond, ma'am, from Africa. Then yung production po is sa Hong Kong.
Manufacture in Hong Kong. Pero yung materials from Africa.
Yung mga diamond.
Mga diamonds.
Di ba po dyan naka-less yung 20% discount?
85,000.
Mapababa muna kami na
Di ba na-try na po later?
Magkano ba yung wig?
I'll start hanapin mo rin how to make at how to complete. Since I have a sweet tooth, thank you.
Ito ma'am, dressing table ba? May guidance. Thank you po.
Ano po, let's say, 25K na lang. Tapos wala po tayo plan. Ano po tayo within Metro Manila? Kaya po tayo
Ma'am, gusto mo i-promote? Huwag na. Shy. Alright. Ayan, thank you. Hi, we're here in, ano to? Fifth floor Mega Mall. Hanggang kailan kayo tomorrow? Tomorrow po. Okay, so come here until tomorrow at Mega Mall, 5th floor, Mega Trade Hall.